Welcome once again. Let's talk about Luna Classic LUNC coin. Now, Luna plans to burn over 1 trillion coins on a yearly basis. That means every year, Luna Classic developers want to see LUNC burn over 1 trillion coins. Now, I think that is good if they can really achieve that, because destroying 1 trillion coins in a year means in 5 years LUNC will be burning over 5 trillion. Now, I believe the authority said they need the community, they need the holders, they need to classic communities to support this plan, to support this project. Basically, I believe whatever project they want to use to achieve this, I believe the community will have to play the major role. Maybe they want to charge more on the 1.2% tax burn so that it can help them to destroy and burn more coins. Or I think maybe they might want to consider if every Luna Classic community holder, any holder of Luna Classic, might offer every month, maybe offering to burn 2% of their holding or 5% of their holding every month, okay? Or even if it's, let's say, 1% of a particular holding, or even 0.50% of their holding every month, which means in 1 year, one single holder of Luna Classic will burn about let's say 6% of their total holding. So that means if you are holding 100 million coins of Luna Classic, you might end up offering 6 million coins in 1 year for the burning of Luna Classic. But it's not going to work that way, because so many people will not be accepting into these terms. But I still think, because I wonder what will likely be, or how means they might use to achieve 1 trillion yearly burning, because right now even the circulating supply is about 5.8, while the supply is about 6. So even if they want to be burning just the supply, the remaining supply, we only have just about 1 trillion, or not even up to. So burning this every year means the circulating supply have to reduce, need to burn more. So I want to see the method or the project they have. They not just watch and see if they can really achieve that, or except some of the top holders, which happen to be part of the developers, wants to really offer their support by destroying some of their holding every year, every month, or at once. It will help Luna Classic to really burn a lot of coins. Let's hope for the best, and I believe that Luna will definitely reach that level. Once again, thank you for stopping by.